it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got 3 new collections for you guys and I am so happy to say that we are bringing back our $12 base kits from Friday through Sunday. That will also apply to the Luxe kits. They will be $15 from Friday through Sunday. I've wanted to bring this back for a while now, and since we do have the new foiling machine that is making everything go so quickly, we're gonna try it out. I think we're gonna be able to keep up with it. Processing times are gonna have to go back up to 1 to 2 weeks just because when these are that price, we are producing, I would say on average, 3 or 4 times more than what we have been. Or we were in the past. So I am so happy though to be able to do that. That's something that I've always wanted to do, tried to do, is keep things as affordable as possible because I know that planning can be a very expensive hobby as somebody obviously who also likes to plan. So I love being able to offer a more affordable option for you guys, but that is all that has changed. These are still the regular formats that we have had. These aren't a different format or anything. So we've got 3 new collections for this week. Base kit is 4 pages and then the Luxe kit is 5. There are no deco sheets for these kits, but once we have kits that have those, there will be options for those as well. And then I'm going to be switching out some options as far as icons and scripts and date numbers in the future. So for right now, I'm just not gonna mess with that. But I wanna put in an option for the new date covers that we've got. And then I think, I don't know you guys, I might switch off the way that we're doing the icons as well as the scripts, but I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Like I said, 3 new collections, and I'm going to start with just what's on top. So this is the Peach collection. My lighting is not, it's really bright outside, so I'm hoping that you guys are gonna be able to see okay. So as you can see, we've got some foiled peaches just all over the kit. You've got a quote that says, "Just peachy." And I thought this was so cute. I loved this art so much that I wanted to kind of play around with it. So here is your full box sheet. This is rose gold foil. For this week, we've got a rose gold kit, a gold, and a silver. So rose gold for the full box sheet there. Here is your second sheet. So you've got some boxes, labels, some larger boxes at the bottom. You've got bow checklist, a couple of more functional deco options, and then some functional at the bottom. This is technically part of the Luxe version of the kit, so I'm gonna put it to the side. So for the base kit, it will be these 4 pages. So your third kit, or your third sheet for the base kit, is your headers. You've got a row of bow headers, a row of cut headers that are the background, and then a row of confetti headers. You have got the tracker here. This does have 7 of the bows, so you can use it Monday through Sunday, or you can just use it as a checklist. 3 bow checklist, 2 of the 2 bow checklist, some bow boxes, and then some washi down at the bottom. And then your last sheet is your bottom washi as well as your date covers. You've got 2 daily trackers and then another row of those confetti headers. So for your bottom washi, I went a little bit more basic with the bottom washi on the kits this week. I felt like there was a lot going on in some of the full boxes, like for these. I thought that that just looked so much nicer together to be a little bit more simplistic on the bottom washi there. And then you do have your bow washi as well. And this is the bow confetti pattern. So that is the base kit. So these 4 sheets through Sunday, if you're watching this video, these are up now at the sale price. So they do normally end up going up on Thursday evening, and then they will come down either Sunday evening if I'm awake. Sometimes I am not up late enough and they end up coming down first thing Monday morning. But this is the base version of the kit, so that is 12. The Luxe version of the kit includes this layering sheet, and that will be 15 for the weekend. So we have got some of the string boxes, the floral boxes, you've got some labels, just a bunch of layering items, some bow, I want to call these bow circles, and then the flags right here. Sorry for Ozzy. He hears somebody outside, he hears loud music. So that is the Luxe version. So that is the Peach collection. Next is called Gym, and I had so much fun with this one. So this right here, look at this girl in her sports bra. I love her hair. I saw this and I had to put it into this kit. So you've got 2 quotes in this. You've got "Gym hair don't care" and "I don't sweat, I glisten," which I thought was really cute. And then this really pretty scalloped kind of like floral banner over on the side. And then just various gym things. So you've got water bottles, bags, you've got your AirPods, your tennis shoes, and I thought that was so cute. I've been sitting on this art for a minute and finally decided, because Mom and I started going to the gym this week, finally decided to go ahead and use it. So for bottom washi on this one, I did it more of a simple as well. I wanted to do that confetti bow over just a prettier background. And then you've got your bow washi, date covers, and then I am going to, I guess, just kind of spread these out. So you've got your headers, trackers, and washi strips. And then you've got your boxes, your bow checklist, and then your full boxes here for the base kit. And then here is your sheet for the luxe kit. These layering sheets are also available a la carte. That was something that was requested when I first showed these. So we do still have these available that way as well. Yeah, so that is the gym version. You guys, I can't talk today. So that is the gym collection. And then I've got one more kit. And this is another one that this was art that I was sitting on for a minute. I'm gonna take this candle and press these because I need to get photos and they're curling pretty badly. So this is called Cookout. And I loved these colors. I thought they were so pretty for either July or August. And I wasn't really sure what to do with the art, is why I had it for as long as I did. But then I decided to go into kind of like a cookout, as obviously from the name, direction with it, but then also bring in some of the daisies to do the foiling. And then you've got the watermelon with that, it's like a picnic blanket almost in the background. I thought that was so cute together. So there is your full box sheet as well as your bottom washi sheet. And then I just love these colors. So you've got a bright blue, bright red, bright yellow, and then a gray. Here is your second sheet here. Layering sheet, which I did just the picnic, what is that called? Gingham? Is that what that's called? In the background for these. I thought that was so cute. So super bright kit, really fun, and I think it is so much fun for summer. I know that we're kind of coming to the end of summer kits. And before we transition into fall, I think I definitely want to do maybe 1 or 2 more summer kits, but I want to kind of go more in the direction of how this gym kit is, or how the peach collection is, where it could really just be used at any time, at least for a bit, and then we'll start getting into fall. But yeah, so that is this week's new releases. I can't even get them to lay down because they're curling so badly. I literally just finished cutting these as test prints. But yeah, so I hope you guys love them. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you plan on picking up, if you plan on picking up anything, in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.